What yoga does for your body. Many people consider yoga as physical and breathing exercises, but yoga at its core is a method of realizing oneness with reality. Yoga is a union of body, mind, and soul, and therefore we can translate the word yoga as union. It is a unique complex of 8 stages, which includes ethical preparations, physical preparations, like postures and breathing techniques, control of senses, and mental techniques. Regular practice of yoga promotes strength, endurance, flexibility, and facilitates characteristics of friendliness, compassion, and greater self-control, while cultivating a way of calmness and well-being. And now have a closer look at what yoga does for your body and the way yoga improves the quality of life. 1. Yoga can reduce stress. Stress is ubiquitous today. It not only rules before hard life decisions, but it also accompanies us during normal days. It can put pressure on our bodies, which reflect in our mental and physical health. In stressful situations, the body secretes a hormone called cortisol. A 2016 study showed that regular yoga practice can reduce the level of this hormone, and thus reduce the impact of stress on the body. In 2007, Caroline Smith conducted a study on a sample of 131 respondents. This research has shown that regular yoga practice lasting 10 weeks resulted in improving the overall quality of life and strengthening mental health, which is particularly affected by stress. 2. Yoga significantly helps to improve breathing. We also know yoga around the world for its breathing exercises. Breathing in yoga is called pranayama. It focuses on breath control through breathing exercises. In many studies, the researchers dealt primarily with a factor we call the vital capacity of the lungs. It represents the amount of air that we can expel from the lungs at maximum exhalation. Interestingly, yoga can not only increase this vital capacity, but a 2009 study also shows improved lung function in patients with mild or moderate asthma. 3. Yoga has a positive effect on sleep quality. Sleep disorders are a daily problem for many people. Deteriorated sleep quality and sleep problems are very closely related to stress and a hectic lifestyle. Yoga brings harmonization of body and mind. For this reason, its positive effects are also reflected in the field of healthy sleep. If you include yoga in your life, you can significantly improve your sleep, and thus bring your body relaxation and time to regenerate. According to a 2005 study, regular practice of yoga gave research participants better sleep, and at the same time, they felt much more rested after sleep. 4. Yoga helps the body relieve migraines and headaches. According to today's statistics, over 95% of the world's population suffers from headaches. The migraine itself is considered being one among the 4 most common diseases of modern times. The disorder in the production of serotonin, which is called the happiness hormone, can cause a migraine. Under normal circumstances, it forms within the brain, but if there is more of this hormone, there is a rapid dilation of cerebral vessels and an outbreak of severe migraine pain. Many people rely on drugs to control migraines, but they are not omnipotent. In some cases, migraines can happen in really dramatic symptoms, such as vomiting, dizziness, loss of orientation, and vision. Increased sensitivity to light may also occur. A study performed in 2007 found out that regular yoga practice not only reduced the frequency of migraines, but also reduced their intensity. Regular practice of yoga has brought better results, even when compared to conventional drug treatment. 5. Yoga is also effective in fighting depression and anxiety. Anxiety and depression are conditions that are very often associated with an imbalance in the production of the stress hormone cortisol and the neurotransmitter serotonin. A 2009 study looked at the effects of yoga on anxiety in a sample of 34 women. Their daily routine included yoga lessons, which took place twice a week. They had been observed for 2 months, and in the end, the study found out that the women had a significant reduction in the anxiety they suffered from. The same results have been shown in connection with anxiety resulting from post-traumatic stress disorder. Today, we cannot accurately describe the mechanism that explains the link between yoga and anxiety reduction. However, it is likely to be the same as in the treatment of depressive conditions. Previous studies, 2005 and 2004, have focused on linking yoga exercise with stress hormone levels. Regular yoga exercises help to regulate the level of stress hormones very effectively. Thanks to this mechanism, there is a reduction in states of depression and probably a reduction of anxiety. Depression and anxiety are often caused by chronic pain. If you suffer from metacarpal tunnel pain or are trying to cope with an old injury or arthritis, regular yoga practice can really help you. Although further research is needed in this area, we still have data to demonstrate the positive effect of yoga in this regard. 6. Yoga contributes to the overall improvement of life. From the previous facts, it is no surprise that yoga does have a very positive effect on the quality of our lives. If we focus on reducing the production of stress hormones, reducing depression, anxiety, and chronic pain, along with promoting better sleep, we simply feel much better and more vital. In addition, yoga brings us peace on a physical and mental level. With the help of yoga, such as mitigating the effects of chemotherapy, a study conducted in 2007 on women after breast cancer treatment. 7. Yoga increases physical strength. If you've thought so far that you probably won't gain physical strength through yoga, let us mislead you. Yoga is rich in positions that directly take care of building physical strength. An example is the greeting of the sun, which represents the basic sequence of positions. By including this sequence in your daily routine for at least 24 weeks, you can gain physical strength and at the same time, you will reduce body fat. If you prefer to rely on scientific facts, we recommend focusing on a 2011 study that examined the influence of this effect on 49 men and 30 women. In this respect, admirable results have been reported for both groups. 8. Yoga has a positive effect on flexibility and balance. Many athletes include yoga in their exercise routine for this very reason. However, yoga can help build flexibility and balance even for seniors, for whom, with advanced age, even limited mobility walks hand in hand. You can achieve positive results in the promotion of flexibility and balance by practicing yoga only 15 minutes a day. 9. Yoga supports the health of the cardiovascular system. A sedentary lifestyle affects the development of many chronic diseases. The cardiovascular system is one of the most at risk. However, yoga can effectively help you promote heart health while also helping to minimize the risk factors that contribute to the development of the cardiovascular disease. An example of a risk factor is high blood pressure. A 2003 study focused on a population of 40-year-olds who have been practicing yoga regularly for 5 years. Their blood pressure and heart rate were lower compared to the control group. Do you consider starting with yoga? What other health benefits have you realized by exercising yoga? Let us know in the comments. If you like the video, hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!